Hello chefs, welcome back to Closkitchen, and for the new subscribers, welcome to my channel. I hope that everyone is doing well and is being safe. Today I'm going to show you how to make this delicious gourmet budget-friendly meal for under $10. So let's see what ingredients I'm going to use for this recipe. I have 1 box of Kraft Deluxe mac and cheese, and I got it from the Dollar Tree for $1. It comes with some macaroni as well as 1 pouch of some creamy cheddar cheese. As a bonus, it has a deluxe supreme mac and cheese pizza recipe on the back. I will not be making it because it doesn't tickle my fancy. I'm bringing some water to a boil, then I'm adding my macaroni to the water and I'm allowing it to cook for about 10 minutes. I'm checking my macaroni by giving it a quick pinch since I don't want it to be too mushy. My macaroni is cooked, so now I'm going to drain it and place it in a bowl. Next, I'm mixing in half of the pouch of the cheddar cheese sauce. Once I have spread the sauce evenly with the macaroni, I'm going to add the remainder of the cheddar cheese sauce. I'm making sure to spread the cheese sauce evenly throughout the macaroni. This next step is optional, but I'm lightly sprinkling some onion powder as well as some garlic powder. And I'm going to mix in those 2 ingredients into my macaroni and cheese. So guys, this is it for the macaroni and cheese. Very simple, quick, and affordable. So let's move on to the second part, which is the fried chicken tenderloin. Next, I have some chicken tenderloins that I'm going to pre-soak in some vinegar and water solution for about 2 to 3 minutes, then rinse them under cool running water. I'm adding 2 tablespoons of green seasoning, lightly sprinkling some onion and garlic powder as well as some chicken seasoning. Then I'm using my clean hand to rub the seasonings into the chicken. Then I'm going to set the chicken aside for about 10 minutes. Next, I'm prepping the coating for my chicken by mixing some Zetarin fish fry seasoned with some unbleached flour. I'm mixing those 2 ingredients into a large Ziploc bag, then placing it aside. I have some 99-cent cut green beans. I'm adding 1 cup of water and 2 cups of green beans into a small pot, and I'm lightly sprinkling some onion and garlic powder and some seasoned salt, and I'm going to cook them on medium heat covered until they are semi-soft. While my green beans are cooking, I'm preheating some vegetable oil on high heat in a large frying pan. Next, I'm adding my coated chicken tenderloin, and I'm going to cook them on medium heat until they are golden brown. The edges of my chicken are brown, so I'm going to flip each one of them. This is optional, but I'm adding a few small cuts to my chicken to make sure that it is fully cooked. So guys, everything is ready. I want you guys to guess in the comments below and let me know the cost of this meal. We have the steamed green beans, we have the juicy, tender, fried tenderloins, and the creamy mac and cheese. So my total cost was $4.56. If you add the taxes, I would say about $5. So you can still eat good without emptying your pockets. I hope that you guys have enjoyed watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. And as always, keep cooking, chefs. Bye.